Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today's the 8th day of May 2021. We're going to talk on Aurora Cannabis. We're going to give you all our updated price prediction in the market for this particular stock. So if you are interested in seeing where we are expecting the price to go, make sure you tune in, keep it locked in here, because we're going to give you our expectations as to where price is going to move so that we can get in position and win the market. We're not going to hype you up. We're not going to get you excited. If the market is going to go lower, we'll tell you that. If the market is going to go higher, we'll tell you that as well. We trade off the non-emotional basis. We could care less where the market is going to go. The only thing that we care about is that we get in position and win in the market. So if you want to learn more, if you want to participate, become part of our community, make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe, and come back again and again so that you can learn as much as possible to where price is going to go. So now let's talk about Aurora Cannabis real quick. On our last video, which was on April the 22nd, okay, let me zoom in on this chart real quick. You all can see that we played the strength into the market for Aurora Cannabis. We were expecting the market price to go higher, and that is precisely what the trap did. He took the price to where we expected it to go, right up here to our ultimate TP price, which is about 9.91% profitability in the market. We were already in position. We were expecting the price to go there, and literally he took it there on the 28th of April. So 6 days it has taken for him to take the price of Aurora Cannabis from the low end of $7.50 all the way up there towards $9 in 6 days. So congratulations to those who was able to catch that. It's time to get rid of it. It is over. It is done. We look forward to where he is going to take the market price in Aurora Cannabis now. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to extend out this line, because this time he confirmed that he wants to continue to hold that market strength and support right there around $7.50, give or take. Okay, so that line is still applicable in the structure of this particular market in Aurora Cannabis. Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to show you is these restriction points. You know, since the market in Aurora Cannabis is in a upward trend right now, we need to identify where would be the location to where the market can start moving lower. Okay, the first area, I got it right there around $9.50. Okay, ultimately it's around $10 as well. Okay, so let's look at this on the 2-day time frame. The market definitely got hit with some weakness as well on this 2-day price bar right there, and we got earnings coming up on the 13th, which is next week. That is going to have a major impact on where the price in Aurora Cannabis is going to go. And it's not so much that the news is moving the market, it's the fact that the trap, the one who controls this price, he is going to react on that news to get you to move a certain direction. Okay, the news is not moving the price, he is moving the price just to get you involved. And he knows that we as individuals like to move on news. When something exciting comes out the market, you expect the price to go higher, but he'll take the price lower. And then you're sitting around confused asking, okay, that was positive news, so why did the stock go down? Well, that's because he doesn't play on the news, and he understands that. He has no impact on the news at all. He's going to move the price where he wants to take the price, whether it's good news, positive news, negative news, or even bad news. It doesn't matter. Even on the bad news, he'll take the price higher. So be wary of that right there on May the 13th or in or around that particular day, because he will act on that. All right. So right now, I mean, the market is kind of a wash. It's kind of stagnated and stable in the sense that I really don't see anything dramatic to occur on the horizon in the market in Aurora Cannabis. Now, this 5-day time frame looks decent. You know, the market is still able to maintain its ability to consolidate. I don't see a lot of weakness involved in the market right now in Aurora Cannabis. As we look at these different time frames, this market is not really hinting that it wants to drop below $7.50. Okay, let's look at this on a monthly time frame. So this is the monthly time frame right now to the market in Aurora Cannabis. And again, I don't see anything on the horizon that is going to justify like a monumental movement higher or even one back down to the downside. The market just looks to be stable at the present time. And you get that when you participate in these markets, to where the market doesn't look like it's ready to to bounce, is ready to dip. It just doesn't look like that right now. So the best thing that we have going on this particular chart is the fact that we saw the market already come in and prop up the price around $7.50. That's excellent. So we need to continue to see that in terms of where Aurora Cannabis is going to go. Now, I'm not bullish in one sense of the word. When I say bullish, I'm telling you that I'm not looking for the market to make any astronomical price movement higher. But I will tell you that the market is able to maintain the strength. Like, the strength is still present and available in this market, but it's not to the sense to where I'm looking like the market to, moon up to $15 to $16 right now. If anything, like I told you in the beginning of this video, maybe around $9.50 to $10 is to where we're going to look for this market price to go in Aurora Cannabis. Okay, so generally the market here is still stable. I'm not going to overemphasize that this market is a bullish buy right now, but we can still play it. Okay, so now this is the 3-hour time frame into the market. I said 950 to be the first area of restriction. That's still 6%. That's pretty good when you look at the market. In the stock market, 6% movement all the way up there to 10 is about 12%. So it's pretty decent to see the market in Aurora Cannabis hit that $10 area for about 12% profitability, which is pretty good. And I would suspect that the market will try to dip somewhat beginning out of trading next week, due to the fact that we got that high volume and the market closed off of the highs. Okay, so yeah, in beginning phase, don't be surprised to see the market in Aurora Cannabis dip from the outset. But so long as we keep price above $8 to even our support area, the market is able to maintain its sideways trading and the ability to go higher in price. All right, so this is pretty much it. This is what we're looking forward to. The market looks calm. The strength is still available, which is why we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Aurora Cannabis. $9.50 is the first area of TP. $10 is the ultimate price level that we're going to try to expect the market trap to go in Aurora Cannabis. Okay, don't forget, in the beginning of next week, the market still has the propensity to continue to drop in price. So we're already under that premise, under that expectation that that is something that to look forward to in the beginning half of next week. And that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and tell me, where do you all think the market price in Aurora Cannabis is going to go? And let's not make this confusing. All right, there's enough pump boys out there on YouTube right now just telling you everything in the market is a buy. They never tell you when the market is going to go down, and then you're caught with the bag in a loss position. So I want to know, think independently, think on yourself, and tell me, what are you seeing into the market in Aurora Cannabis? Drop that price prediction in the comment section and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.